Welcome back to our YouTube channel, guys. My name's Ardil and I'm really proud to introduce another one of our videos. Today's video, I'm walking around a brand new unregistered Ford Fiesta that we've added an integrated reversing camera into the factory screen. If you're new to our channel, haven't seen us before, hit that subscribe button below. Otherwise, let's go. So today's video is all about the brand new Ford Fiesta. This car has actually been picked up by ourselves from Ford in Cambridge. They've sold the vehicle and it's a brand new vehicle. And what we've done is upgraded the spec of the vehicle with a fully integrated reversing camera. We're using our Pro Fit camera, basically mounted at the back of the vehicle, physical cable run all the way to the front of the vehicle, and then that goes into a module. Basically, the module allows the factory screen to flick over and actually show an image of the reversing camera. It's a Pro Fit Wedge Camera installed on the back. Really neat, really discreet solution. It is a physical cable run all the way to the front of the vehicle. A lot of the front of the interior, the instrument cluster needs to come out to actually install the system. However, everything is installed behind the scenes to the highest installation standards, with the reason why the main dealers in Cambridgeshire are using us day in and day out. This is probably the 10th or 15th reversing camera we've done for this one particular salesperson in Ford in Cambridge. These systems are incredible. They add so much value to the vehicle, and what they makes so much easier to park the vehicle too. Obviously, the vehicle has factory fitted parking sensors from standard. However, it's lacking that reversing camera, and a lot of them do on these Ford range. So adding it in is a perfect solution to get added features onto the vehicle. So basically what it does is it fills the screen full size. You get a physical, just clear, crystal clear image. On these systems on the Fords, you don't get the moving guidelines. However, it's a really, really nice solution for a fully integrated reversing camera, and that's using the Pro Fit Wedge camera at the back, physical cable run all the way to the front, and then you've got the integrated solution live directly on the factory fitted screen in the front. So if you're after something like this, today's video is all about highlighting these upgrades that we can do to your vehicle. So if you own this exact vehicle or own a vehicle similar to this with the Ford Sync 3 system, make sure you get in touch with us, book a consultation with us. I'll sit down with you, design spec, and then we'll install the full system for you, whatever that might be. Say it's an integrated reversing camera, but make sure you stay tuned for other videos to our YouTube channel. So hitting that subscribe button, and it will keep you posted on other videos, other upgrades that we can potentially do to upgrade your vehicle. So thank you very much, guys, for watching. We'll see you soon.